Hi guys and gals, welcome to this episode. This is the rear facade. I glued the perspex on it and it looks real good. Checking the gluing and checking the facade and it looks great. I'm very happy with the result. I will set it aside and prepare the other part to glue on it. But first we will deal with the front facade. So this is the inner side of the front facade. I'm going to glue the perspex. First of all, I will have to sand it. And yes, it is time for the vacuum cleaner, the dust sucker. I have to clean the protection blanket, the particles, the dust with compressed air. Check and recheck. It looks good. So now I can peel off the protection layer. The peeling isn't as easy as it looks, actually. It takes quite a bit of muscle force. And of course I try not to damage the acrylic layer. So it's time to glue and I'm trying not to put on too much. I'm afraid it was still a bit too much, but not as much as the last time. Now I have to divide the glue equally and it looks as if it's not so plenty as the other day. But we'll have to see. As you can see, I'm still wearing the dust mask because it's still a bit dusty in the shop. I can't help working with my fingers and it gives me the feeling that the glue is better divided. Now it's time to put on the perspex, or acrylic layer if you like, or PMMA. Of course, at the side that is upward, the protection layer is still on. The other side is peeled off. Looks good. Putting on the dividing plate. This plate divides the weight. First weight. Second weight. I take anything that has heft. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you back in part 12. Bye.